What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA Saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news, and I have to say that at the time of recording this video I don't have any updates directly related to the blue sheets, and I don't have an update from Richard Hoffman related to his lawsuit, but I have a lot of other news that will help us to fight against this illegal activity. But before we dive deeper into the news, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and share this video with your friends and family. I have to say that a lot of people are watching my videos, but not so many of them subscribe to my channel. And definitely when I see this type of activity, I have a lot of problems with pushing up my videos to the broader audience, and that is why we are losing this opportunity to spread this information to as many people as we can. That's why please subscribe to my channel and share this video on any social media that you can. So let's start with the news itself. On Mark Basil Twitter account we can find several recent tweets, and let me quote first of all this tweet that was published 18 hours ago. And he wrote, MMTLP, please also follow OTC lawyers GPP Esquire and Basil C Esquire for updates. If I can't post updates for whatever reason, they will. Thanks. You all better be relaxing today. It's Sunday. And I show you these Twitter accounts. We don't have any updates directly related to the blue sheets, but I have to say that we are awaiting of it, and I have to say, let me show you that Mark R. Basil wrote 4 hours ago another tweet. MMTLP, one last word before I hit the hay. Get some rest, we have a battle coming this week. And I completely agree with his statement, because we have to receive the information about the blue sheets. And blue sheets is the crucial point right now for all of the lawsuits that we have on the table. And on top of that, we will have an update from Richard Hoffman's lawsuit, and definitely it also should be quite promising in my opinion. So let's continue with other information. Let me show you right here that Due Diligence wrote this tweet just several hours ago, and he wrote, Hello Cromwell Carlson. In case you were wondering, we are quite the persistent bunch. It is now day 8 of your standing invitation to join the MMTLP community on a space call at a time and date of your choosing. We just want to hear your perspective on the situation. The media is also monitoring my invites to you now, sir. You have an opportunity to live up to the standards of transparency you claim to have set for yourself, and the standards of communication you have called upon others to have. Come have a civil dialogue. My DMs are open, we are waiting. And definitely it is the next step, because social media is monitoring right now these invites, and definitely we have to see Mr. Carlson on this interview. And for those of you who don't know, he is the head of OTC markets, and definitely he might help us, or he might bring some attention to this situation, and eventually it will help us to win this battle. So let me show you further. Crucial Mix several hours ago wrote this tweet. Now there's an easy way to share any MMTLP Twitter videos like Revolution, and have them tag onto the end of any of your tweets without any description or tagged users. See news link for how. Adding a video to your tweets help us to go viral. Please share. And this is the tiny URL, and if you click on this URL you will see this web page where you can find a lot of videos directly related to MMTLP, and I have to say that these videos are very useful and are very important for the community. And if you want, you can share it simply by putting this link on each and every your tweet. And let me show you that it is not a retweet and includes only the video itself, and adds views to the video's original post for achieving higher view numbers. Thanks for sure it Thrive for sharing all of them. And definitely this also might be quite useful for the community in general. And if you have a huge exposure on Twitter or Space, definitely you can use it to help the community. So let me go further. Han the Short Killer 11 hours ago wrote this tweet. GTII, told you many months ago. That's how they speak with each other. And he retweeted this tweet made by Andy Mac 12 hours ago. And he wrote bunch of hashtags and bunch of tags for different people, and he added 505, 505, 505, the end of the last trading day, the day before the U3 halt on MMTLP. And here is two pictures. First of all is a list of market maker signals, and right here the level 2 on the MMTLP price action. And if you don't know, here is the original tweet made by Horus the Bull, and he wrote, I watched it, but I didn't record it. I never thought it would be halted. I was the first person to post the 505 trades. And meaning, if I would have known we would be in this predicament, I would have recorded it all. And as you can see, here is the price of MMTLP right before the illegal U3 halt. It was $2.9 and it was 505. This is the number of shares. And definitely it is the signal to other market makers. And let me show you here. On this website, I will put the link on this website in the description below. You can find the list of market maker signals, level 2 trading data. And here you can see all the signals, the majority of them, I have to say. So 100, for example, it is I need shares. 200, I need shares badly, but do not take the stock down. 505 means I'm short on shares. And definitely this shows how market makers connecting one to another during the trading and via this level 2 price action. Definitely it shows some kind of manipulation behind the scenes, and we have to be aware of it if you can see a lot of signals, hidden signals right here. So let's go further. We all know that James J. Angel is the person who was supposed to help the MMTL community in the Congress, and during the latest hearings of Gary Gensler behind the Congress, he allegedly helped the community to make some clarifications. But I have to say that a lot of people find more and more evidence that we might see a conflict of interest. And here you can find that Professor Jim Angel was and is in MMI advisory board, and one of the co-founders of MMI is Ari Rubenstein. And let me show you this. MMI, the Modern Markets Initiative, is an education and advocacy organization dedicated to innovation in the financial markets. And innovation probably is dark pools and payments for order flow, because Jim Angel was one of the inventors of these so-called enhancements. And definitely right here it is another evidence that we might see the conflict of interests. And Pops also wrote in his Twitter account, well, look what the good folks at MMTLP discovered. Ari Rubenstein and James J. Angel linked at the hip. Ari was the co-founder of Modern Markets Initiatives. James J. Angel sits in the advisory board member at Modern Market Initiatives. Looks like MMTLP collusion on the Congress. So yes, we have a lot of evidence, and I have to say that the majority of this evidence are coming from the community, and that's why it is extremely important to unite, and that's why just hit the like button in order to spread this video to as many people as we can. On top of that, let me show you one of the latest tweets from Anna Trades. 4 hours ago she reposted this tweet with the hashtag war on counterfeit shares, UK retail fight back. And here is the original tweet made by Investor Tooth on April 27th, and let me quote it for you. If you reside in the UK, you have the opportunity to initiate a petition on the UK government and parliament website to advocate for a ban on Citadel securities. Investor Tooth will back you up in this endeavor. Once the petition garners 10,000 signatures, the UK government will respond, and if it reaches 100,000 signatures, they will consider it for a parliamentary debate. It's crucial for all of us to initiate such petition in our respective countries to ensure that Citadel gets blacklisted on a global scale. And definitely, it is very important, and if you are a UK resident, please follow Investor Tool and find this tweet that was made on April 27th and sign this petition. And I have to say that it is almost all information that I want to provide you. The latest one is the tweet from Richard Hoffman that he published 13 hours ago, and he wrote, "Dear Mr. Gaster, the MMTLP situation exposes you as the true asshole that you are. Congratulations, FINRA." So, we are waiting for the upcoming news from Richard Hoffman, and right here you can see that we are a very strong community and we have to fight till our victory, and we will win this battle no matter what. So, see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no